We have been joined this morning by Peter Ameh, Acting National Chairman of the Coalition of United Political Parties. Now, this is FCT Brief, where we interrogate the stories shaping the nation's political future. Mr. Ameh, Barakah Salah.
Barakah Salah to you too. Good morning.
Yeah, the court has given a green light to former President Goodluck Jonathan that he can run. He's not barred from running. But also the calculations out there is that the opposition parties are already taking positions. NDC, for instance, the permutation is already going to Peter Obi for presidential. The ADC also, I think they'll be announcing their presidential candidate today, and several opposition parties are already taking that. If Jonathan should throw in his heart into the ring for 2027, how will it affect the alignment of the opposition parties to face the ruling party in 2027?
I think, first of all, we must look at the case brought by Obi, who was the lawyer, and the decision of the court to award cost of 20 million naira in favor of Jonathan and 1 million naira against the Attorney General of the Federation, because this case was a total waste of time. Because at the time Jonathan took his first oath, he transited from being the vice president to acting president, and that was not a full term. And one of the other things the court said, that you cannot apply a law, retrogressively, you understand? And that Jonathan had already completed, was out of office in 2015 when this law was made. So the outcome of the judgment was expected. I don't think the court would have done anything different. And for Jonathan, he has become a statesman. He has really, performed well, both outside and out of government. He has carried himself with the kind of respect that Nigerians have given to him. And for international community, also giving him a lot of honor, going around, looking at election transparency, inclusivity issues across the group. But one of the challenges will be that at this point in time, election is just about how many months away, and there's a lot of agitation that he should come and contest. But he's eligible to contest. He has a fundamental right in Section 40 also to associate with a political party that he wants to align with. That is his fundamental right. In fact, it is the basic foundational principle of our democratic system. So if you want to do that, all these rights are already there. But what are the things that we need to look at? You need to look at how prepared he is, how ready he's going to be able to get back to the turf of politics and the name calling, all the issues that are going to come along with it. What will he do to his image that he has acquired? And at the end of the day, how long will it take him to be able to put back the wave or the people to come around? And so I think that for a lot of people have seen him, and I think the respect he enjoys. I think Jonathan deserves that respect, and might want to sustain it in that other way. Because the electoral cycle is not something for tea parties.
Well,